What does it mean to love someone? For me, it's to care for them, to make sure they don't go hungry, sad, lonely, or experience any state of lack in every dimension. Do you agree with me? Then why do that to yourself? Why allow yourself to be so lonely that every day is just pain? Sure, it's a biological need to socialize and be liked. So we all suffer from crippling loneliness at some point. It makes us behave pitifully, where we overreact at the slightest sliver of attention. It makes us form relationships with people that aren't right for us, and stop us from taking risks for our own ideal lives. And picking from the point before, if you truly love yourself, is that something you should allow it to happen? To allow yourself to suffer so much to the point that you lose control of how you behave and feel pain constantly. No one with self-respect would. For that, I think it's important to have some questions answered, like, would anyone fit to ease your loneliness? And if yes, would that be fair to the other person? Or would you just be using them? Who said that you had to be with someone in order to be happy? And if you were lonely pre-relationship, how do you know that you sincerely love the person you are with? Or is just a dependency relationship? Having these kinds of questions answered before anything helps you form relationships with people that will stay with you for the longer term and bring you benefits the more time you spend with them. It also helps you avoid predictable heartbreak. While we are talking about predictable outcomes, know that the habits such as scrolling through social media and dating apps will only worsen that feeling of loneliness. And the longer you feel that, the faster you go back to depression. Loneliness is a self-caused condition, and that happens because of your own ego. Life is all around you, and whether you like it or not, you're part of it too. Not being with someone shouldn't have this much impact on your life's quality. That is a choice you make. And if you choose to be free of that, you will see it becomes much easier to handle your own loneliness. Don't wait for someone to make you happy. Go be happy by yourself. Hi. So I suffer from depression for more than half my life. So I know exactly how it feels to feel desperate. For that, I have a link in my bio for my full guide for self-treatment of depression. You don't have to wait. You are worthy of a full, happy life. If you think that mental health and relationships are important, subscribe, as I'll be making more content around this. Feel free to comment, as I want to know what you think. Now back to the video. A big benefit of you learning how to deal with your own loneliness is that it gives you leverage on the dating game. If you are able to decide whether you stay single or with someone beyond your own emotions, the other person will perceive you as more attractive because you are capable of more outcomes, creating this healthy relationship where others don't take you for granted. Also, if you can deal with your own loneliness, the recovery from breakups also becomes much faster because you don't get stuck in that cycle of trying to heal yourself using others and breaking yourself even deeper in the process. And the more independent you become, the more others will look for you for support. And that's what true love is, the joy of being there for others. I know that it feels like a cage, but the door is unlocked. You just gotta open it.